Typically, we see successful preventative maintenance with the customers that invest in sending their technicians to our free training that we have every year. Preventive maintenance is highly effective because we have customers who we know adhere to our checklists and to our training. They rarely have problems that they can't overcome. They usually don't need to call us. They order their spare parts at regular intervals. It's just like having your own car. You still want to do the basics like getting the oil changed and the tires rotated. You really need to make sure that you're maintaining your equipment properly, and we provide the resources to help you do that.